If you put $25 a week into the right account starting today and never touch it, you could have over $200,000 by retirement. Not because you saved a lot, because of something that works quietly in the background, 24 hours a day, whether you're paying attention or not. I didn't get this until I saw one specific thing. And once I did, I genuinely couldn't stop thinking about it. I'm not a finance expert. I'm just someone who felt behind on money. Like everyone else figured this stuff out and forgot to tell me. But compound interest? Once it clicked, it changed how I think about every dollar I have. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you the one thing that made it finally make sense for me, and exactly what I did about it the next day. No jargon. No math degree required. Let's go! Here's what I was taught about saving money growing up. Put money in a savings account. It earns a little interest. Cool? That's it. That was the whole lesson. What nobody showed me was what happens when that interest starts earning interest. Let me give you the simplest version of this I know. You put $1,000 in an account earning 7% a year. Year 1, you earn $70. Now you have $1,070. Year 2, you earn 7% on $1,070. That's $74.90. Now you have $1,144. Year 3, you earn 7% on $1,144. That's $80. The amount you earn keeps growing, even though you didn't add anything. That's compound interest. Your money makes money. And then that money makes money. Okay, here's the thing I saw that I can't stop thinking about. It's called the penny doubling problem. You've probably heard a version of it. Someone offers you a choice. Take $1 million today, or take a penny that doubles every day for 30 days. Which do you pick? Most people take the million. It's right there. It's real. But the penny? Day 1, 1 cent. Day 10, $1.64. Day 20, $10,485. Day 30, $10,737,418. $10 million. From a penny. In 30 days. Obviously, your Roth IRA isn't doubling every day. But the principle is exactly the same. The growth feels invisible at first. Almost insulting. And then, quietly, slowly, it becomes something you can't ignore. The problem most Americans have isn't that they don't understand compound interest. It's that they don't start, because the early numbers feel pointless. Let me get out of the hypotheticals and into something real. 2 people, same income, same job. One starts investing $200 a month at 25. The other waits until 35. Both invest $200 a month until 65. Both average 7% annual return, roughly what a simple S&P 500 index fund has historically done over long periods. Person A, who started at 25. By 65, they have around $525,000. Person B, who started at 35. By 65, they have around $243,000. Same monthly contribution. Same return. A 10-year head start was worth over $250,000. Here's the part that gets me every time. Person A contributed $96,000 of their own money over 40 years. Person B contributed $72,000 over 30 years. The difference in what they put in was only $24,000. The difference in what they ended up with was $282,000. That extra $258,000? That's compound interest doing its thing, silently, over decades. When I finally saw all this laid out, I had one thought. I need to start. Right now. Whatever I can afford. So here's what I did, and what I'd suggest you do if you haven't already. Step 1. I opened a Roth IRA. If you earn income in the US, you could open one through Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard, all free. Takes about 15 minutes. Step 2. I set up automatic contributions. Even $25 a week. The goal was to remove the decision from my hands entirely. It just moves on its own. Step 3. I put it in a simple index fund, a total US market or S&P 500 fund. Nothing fancy. Just let the market do its thing. That's it. 3 steps. The rest is just time. And time is the one thing compound interest needs more than anything. If this helped something click for you, even a little, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach people who need to hear this stuff. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do. I'm figuring out money in real time and sharing everything I learn. No guru energy. Just honest research. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the one money thing you wish someone had explained to you sooner? I read every single one. Next video. I'm breaking down the difference between a Roth IRA and a 401k because I was confused about this for way too long, and I think you might be too. Thanks for watching. Go start that account. Even $10 matters more than you think. See you in the next one.